This is my guest for today on my YouTube page. His name is Stephen Lakamu Siosiua Afford. Amazing. He is a Niuean and his names are all from 3 different fathers. So Siosiua is his biological dad, Lakamu was his adopted dad, and Afford was his 3rd adopted father, that he's taken the name of Afford. So welcome, Stephen.
Thank you.
I have the privilege of having you on this YouTube channel.
Nice.
And it is an honor to have you join me. And I would like to just start off by asking you some questions about your life.
Let's go for it.
So can you just go from the very beginning and what you would like to share with us from your childhood to coming over